Okay, here is a IMSAI 8080 that I'm repairing for the System Source Museum in Maryland. It was in very bad shape when I got it. The frame was bent, had to take out the motherboard, fix the brackets, re-straighten the sheet metal, and then go through each board. None of the boards worked. Every board had a problem on it. The processor is a Z80. It's a TDL ZPU board. There's a 16K static memory board that was from my own stock that's working, and a TDL SMB I/O card, which has a couple of serial ports and a cassette interface and some parallel stuff. Okay, so we're going to turn it on here. This is after lots of repair, many days of work, and type in a little program to test the front panel. So we can reset it, load address 0, and we'll do D, which is load the accumulator from FF, which is the front panel. And we're going to complement the accumulator because the LEDs are inverted. Low is lighting a LED. And then D3 output to the front panel. C3, which is a jump back to 0. Okay, hopefully I typed it in right and it works. Yes. Lights now follow the switches. So basic processor's running. Everything seems to be working on the front panel. All the LEDs work after a lot of debugging. There were a lot of mods in this system, and I'm not sure what they were all for, but I removed all of them and put it back to basically a stock IMSAI configuration. Okay, we'll try something more elaborate. Okay, well, we're going to try to run the TDL SMB's onboard monitor called ZAPPLE. It's addressed at F000, so we'll turn the machine on, do a reset for fun, load the address F000, and hit run. Okay, it's actually running the ZAPPLE monitor. I'm going to show you the output. Okay, let's see if we can get ZAPPLE to run on an actual terminal. A very old Tektronix 4006 storage 2-base terminal. Start at F000 and run. Okay, we have a ZAPPLE prompt. Let's see if we can get it to display memory. We'll display F000 through F0 FF. That should be the first 256 bytes of the ZAPPLE monitor. There we go. It's printed out in hex. I don't think it has a command to... Well, maybe it has a command to get it out in ASCII. I'll have to just try it. Let's try type F000 F0 FF. There we go. We can read ZAPPLE version 1.0R. So there is some ASCII in there. ZAPPLE is running. We'll try a close-up view here and see if we can get a better shot of this to display F000. Sorry about moving camera to F1 FF. This is running at 1200 baud. This terminal is a little more stable at 1200 baud. There we go. ZAPPLE monitor running on a TDL ZPU CPU board and an IMSAI 8080. And here's the IMSAI 8080 with its front panel reassembled. Looks much nicer this way. Top is still off because I intend to use the machine to debug some IMSAI VDP-80 boards. If I can figure out how to shut the camera off.